One of the things that I really wish for is that the doctors would stop hanging a diagnosis or several diagnoses around these children's necks. I wish that instead doctors would tell the parents, these mood and behavior and learning problems that your child is experiencing are not the real problems. The real problem is that your child has a dysregulated nervous system, which is triggering these kinds of problematic symptoms. And then I wish the doctors would advise the parents that this is really easily healed. And the step number one for healing all these learning, behavior, and mood problems in children is that parents need to regulate their nervous system first. Because the child's nervous system is a carbon copy of the parent's nervous system. And then once the parent's nervous system is regulated, moms and dads, you will see a completely different child. So, summary, what am I saying? I am saying that your child's behavior or mood or learning problems are not the real problem. The real problem is that your child has a dysregulated nervous system, and the best way to heal your child's dysregulated nervous system is for mom and dad to heal their dysregulated nervous systems first.